Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Many people call in and ask us what does the perform service message mean on their 6.7 liter Cummins. This message will populate around every 100,000 kilometers and it is essentially telling you that your engine's CCV filter requires replacement. People also ask, is perform service the same as a check engine light? Short answer is no. The perform service light is a reminder essentially to have your crankcase vent filter replaced while your engine light indicates an actual fault. They also ask, can I keep driving with this message on? And yes, you can, but you should have your CCV filter replaced sooner rather than later to avoid excessive crankcase pressure, which can cause engine oil seals to leak. The reset procedure for this warning message is frankly pretty annoying. You have to put the ignition to the run position with the engine off, then push the brake pedal 3 times, then push the gas pedal 3 times. You'll likely have to redo this several times before the message will clear. If you have any questions, just give us a call and we will do our best to help. 780-942-3629.